Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. In this video, I am going to explain the third section of the chapter second degree equation. Okay, first two section we already finished. Now the third section is two answers. Okay, two answers. Two answers means usually we are writing one square root value. For example, root 4. Okay, root 4 we will write like what? 2. Okay, we know 2 2s are 4, so we will write the answer as 2. But actually, root 4. Okay, root 4 means two answers are there. Okay, two answers. That means it can be a positive 2 or it can be a negative 2. Because positive 2 into positive 2, what is the answer? 4 is the answer. Similarly, negative 2 into negative 2. That also what? 4 is the answer. That means root 4 can be either positive 2 or negative 2. Same like for all the square root values, there are two values. Okay, positive value and negative value. That is two answers. Okay, now let's go to the problems. Problems from the textbook. Here is your first question. The product of a number and two more than that is 168. What are the numbers? Okay, product is given. So we need to consider one number. Okay, and two more than that. So let's start. This question, first of all, we need to consider a number. Okay, let's consider that number as what? X. Okay, then 2 more than that. 2 more than that means it will be x plus 2. Okay, 2 more than that, this number is x plus 2. And it is given product of these two is what? 168. So that we can write like this, x into x plus 2. Okay, x into x plus 2 equal to 168. Now we need to find this number. So let's open the bracket. So x into x is what? X into x is x square plus x into 2, 2x equal to 168. Okay. Now here we can't apply the square completion method. So what we will do? We will consider the coefficient of x, that is 2. Then 2's half whole square. 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 square we will add in these two sides. So here x square plus 2x plus 1 square equal to 168 plus 1. 1 square 1 here. So here answer will be what? 169. Okay. Now here x square plus 2x plus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is possible, that is we can write x plus 1 whole square equal to 169. Now x plus 1 equal to root of 169. Okay, root of 169. Now 169, we know the answer is what? 13 is the answer. 13 square is 169. Now here onwards we will write it as plus or minus. Like this we can write plus 13 or minus 13. It can be any number. So x plus 1 equal to plus or minus 30. Okay, so here we need to consider both number, plus 13 or minus 30. So if we consider x plus 1 equal to plus 13, if answer is plus 13, what will be the number? X equal to what? 13 plus 1 come to this side, it will be minus 1, that is 12 will be the number. That means number is 12 and the next number is 12 plus 2, that is 14. 12 and 14 will be the number. One more case is here, that is if it is minus 13, that is also possible. So here x plus 1 equal to, if it is minus 13, what will be the answer? X equal to minus 13 plus 1 come to this side, it will be minus 1. So answer will be minus 14. Okay, so x will be minus 14. Then next number is x plus 2. So first number is minus 14. Next number is minus 14 plus 2. Minus 14 plus 2, what is the answer? It will be minus 12 will be the answer. Okay, so 12 and 14 or minus 12 and minus 14. These two will be the answer. Okay, so plus or minus 13 we need to consider. So these are the possibilities. That means either 12 or 14 or minus 12 or minus 14. Next is question number 2. Find two numbers with sum 4 and product 2. Sum 4 and product 2. Here we need to find two numbers with the sum 4 and product as 2. So let's consider the first number as what? First number as x. Okay. And we know sum equal to 4. Okay. So first number plus second number. We don't know that number. Anyway, when we add these two numbers, we will get the answer as 4. Okay. So second number will be what? Second number equal to here 4 plus x, come to next side, it will be minus x. Okay, so first number is x and second number is 4 minus x from sum equal to 4. Okay, next is given product equal to 2. Product equal to 2 means x into 4 minus x will be what? 2. Okay, so product equal to 2 means first number x, second number 4 minus x equal to, what is the answer? 2 is the answer. Now let's open the bracket. X into 4, that is 4x, minus x into x, that is x square, equal to 2. Okay, now let's arrange this equation. Okay, always the square term comes first is better. Okay, so minus x square plus 4x equal to 2. Okay, now here negative sign comes. Okay, here negative sign. In order to avoid that, let's multiply this equation with minus 1. Okay, into minus 1 in order to avoid this negative sign. Okay, so if we multiply with this negative sign, negative 1 into negative x square, answer will be what? X square. Just reverse sign is enough. Okay, so plus 4x comes here, minus 4x. Okay, this is equal to plus 2 here, answer will be minus 2. Okay, so we got x square minus 4x equal to minus 2. Now, in order to apply the square completion method, coefficient of x is 4 here. Okay, so 4 by 2 whole square. So 4 by 2 is 2. 2 square we will add. Okay, so here x square minus 4x plus 2 square equal to minus 2 plus 2 square is 4. Okay, now here 2 2s are 4, 2 plus 2 4. So here the sign is negative. Okay, here the sign is negative, so we have to write it as minus. So x minus 2 the whole square equal to minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. Okay, so we got x minus 2 the whole square equal to 2 as the answer. Now in the next step, let's take the square to this side. So here x minus 2 equal to root 2. Okay, root 2. So here root 2 means it can be plus root 2 or minus root 2. Both answer. Okay, so here the number x will be equal to root 2 plus 2. Okay, root 2 plus 2, or it can be minus also. So here x, if it is negative sign, answer will be what? Minus root 2 plus 2. Okay, these two can be the x value. Now if x is root 2 plus 2, what will be the second number? First number can be root 2 plus 2 or minus root 2 plus 2. Here root 2, no value for root 2. That's why we consider plus or minus root 2 here. Okay, plus or minus root 2. So if plus root 2 is the, we are considering x will be root 2, minus 2 come to this side, it will be plus 2. So here it is minus root 2. If it is minus root 2, then here minus root 2 plus 2. These two are the answer for the first number. Now for the second number. For the second number, if x equal to root 2 plus 2, second number will be what? 4 minus x. That is 4 minus root 2 plus 2. Like this. Okay, second number will be 4 minus root 2 plus 2. No need to open the bracket, you can write like this. Now if it is like this, okay, this one for this number. Now if x equal to minus root 2 plus 2, then second number will be what? Second number will be equal to 4 minus here minus root 2 plus 2. Okay, these are the possibilities. If this is the answer, this will be the second number. If this is the first number, this will be the second number. Okay, like this you can write. Okay. Next is question number 3. How many terms of the arithmetic sequence 99, 97, 95, etc. must be added to get 900? Okay, terms we need to find here. Sum is given, that is 900. Sequence given is 99, 97, 95, etc. Question is how many terms we have to add to get the sum as 900. Okay, to get the answer as 900, how many terms we need to add? Okay, that means n we have to find here. Okay, so Sn is given. So let's use the sum equation. So before that, what is first term here? First term equal to 99. Now common difference d equal to 97 minus 99. That is, it is decreasing sequence. Okay, it is decreasing. So here common difference will be minus 2. Okay, bigger number is 99. So 99 minus 97, 2 is the answer with the negative sign. So minus 2 is the common difference and n we don't know. Now let's apply the equation. What is the equation? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2f plus n minus 1 into d. Answer already given, that is 900. Okay, now let's apply the values. So here n by 2 we don't know. Now 2 into first term is 99 plus n minus 1 into common difference is minus 2 equal to 900. Now in the next step, n by 2, 2 into 99, that is 198. Okay, plus before that minus 2 into n. Minus 2 into n will be minus 2n. Okay, before putting the sign we have to check this also. Here positive, whatever be here negative 2 is here. So negative 2 into n, it will be minus 2n. Now minus 1 into minus 2, here answer will be plus 2. Okay, that is equal to 900. Now in the next step, n by 2. Okay, n by 2 into 192 plus 2, that is 200 minus 2n equal to 900. Okay, and in the next step, let's take this by 2 to this side. Okay, here divided by 2, come to this side, it will be into 2. So here the remaining will be n into 200. Let's open the bracket also at the same time. So n into 200 means it will be 200n minus n into 2n is 2n square equal to 900 into 2. Okay, now let's arrange, that is minus 2n square plus 200n equal to 900 into 2, that is 1800. Okay, now here coefficient of n square is minus 2. Okay, coefficient of n square is minus 2. So in order to avoid this number, we can divide the whole equation with what? Divided by 2. Okay, whole equation divided by 2. Let's use minus 2 divided by minus 2. Then this negative sign will also be cancelled. Okay, so next step, divided by minus 2. So minus 2n square divided by minus 2. Okay, now plus 200n divided by minus 2 equal to 1800 divided by minus 2. Okay, now let's cancel this. Negative and negative cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. So the remaining is n square. Now here plus and minus answer will be minus. 200 by 2 answer is 100n equal to 1800 divided by 2, that is minus 900. Like this we will get. Okay, now here we have to apply what? square completion method. So for that, coefficient of n is 100. 100's half is 50. 50 square is what? 50 is the half of 100. Then it's a square, we have to add in these two sides. So answer will be n square minus 100n plus 50 square. Okay, 50 square equal to minus 900 plus 50 square is 5 5s are 25, 2500. Okay, 2500 is 50 square. Now here 50 and 100 and 50 square, 50 into 50, it will be 2500, then 50 plus 50, 100. So here this one we can write like this, n minus, here it is minus, that why I put negative here. So n minus 50 whole square equal to 2500 minus 900. So answer will be 1600. Okay, now in the next step, n minus 50 equal to square root of 1600. Square root of 1600. So this we can write like this, 1600 is the root value of 40. Okay, root value of 40. So here plus or minus 40, either plus 40 or minus 40. So both we need to consider here, plus 40 or minus 40. Now if it is plus 40, n will be what? N equal to 40 here, minus 50 come to this side, it will be plus 50. That is equal to 90. N equal to 90 will be. Now here if it is minus 40, n equal to what? Minus 40, minus 50 come to this side, it will be plus 50. That is equal to 10. Okay, so n can be 90 or 10. Okay, 90 or 10. Now in order to check which one is a correct answer, just check 19. It is decreasing sequence. We need only 900 as the sum. If it 90 terms means anyway it will be greater than 900. Sum will be greater than 900. That means first 10. Okay, 90 into 10. In between 900. Okay, 900 we need. That's why answer will be what? First 10 terms sum. Okay, first 10 terms sum will be 900. Okay, this is the answer. One more question is there in this section, but before doing that I am going to explain one equation. Starting I told you one general equation is there to solve a second degree equation. Okay, general equation, whatever be the equation, okay, you can apply that one, whatever be the second degree equation. Okay, no need to add or subtract anything, like square completion method is no needed. You can directly use this equation. It's a general one. So in order to solve that last question in this section, I think this equation is better. That's why I am going to introduce that equation now itself. Actually this comes in the last section. Okay, so let's start. Before that, the general form of a second degree equation that you need to know first. The general form of a second degree equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a general form of a second degree equation. Okay, x square term, then x term, then constant term equal to 0. Okay, now equation, that means a solution we can find. The solution will be equal to, solution means x value we are going to find. So x equal to, equation is, it's a lengthy equation but be careful. Equation is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the equation to find the solution of a second degree equation. Okay, and here b is the coefficient of x. Okay, b is the coefficient of x, and this term root of b square minus 4ac, here b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant. Okay, discriminant, the word is discriminant. Depending on this we can predict the value of this solution. Okay, that means b square minus 4ac, and before that a is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant number. Okay, now before doing this you have to find discriminant. B square minus 4ac first do. Now depending on the value we can predict the answer. Okay, that means if b square minus 4ac, when you do this, if you got that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, okay, you will get one answer. If that answer is greater than 0, this equation will have two solution. Okay, two different solution will be there, two different solution, two real solution. Okay, now if discriminant, if this is equal to 0, okay, if you got b square minus 4ac answer is equal to 0, then only one solution will have. Okay, x will have only one value. Okay, x will have only one value, either positive or negative. Okay, now next case, if discriminant is less than 0, okay, if discriminant is less than 0, no need to continue the problem. Okay, because no solution, that quadratic equation is not possible to solve. Okay, if discriminant is less than 0, no solution. No solution means actually solution is there, but that is imaginary number. Okay, that is not real numbers, imaginary number, that you will learn in +1 and +2. No need to consider now. Okay, here you can write like no solution, not possible to solve, that's enough. Okay, when only when it is less than 0. Okay, so there you can stop. So first of all, find b square minus 4ac discriminant. If it is greater than 0, two solution you will get. If it is equal to 0, only one solution. If it is less than 0, no solution. Okay, you need to by heart this equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now using this, let's solve the fifth question in this section. A rod 28 centimeter long is to be bent to make a rectangle. Three sub-questions are there. First one, can a rectangle of diagonal 8 centimeter be made? Here perimeter is given. Okay, a rod 28 centimeter long rod is to be bent to make a rectangle means perimeter is 28 given. We have to check whether we can make a rectangle of diagonal 8 centimeter. Okay, let's check that. In this question, sides are not given. Okay, rectangles sides are not given, only perimeter, that is 28 centimeter is given. Okay, so perimeter equal to 28 means what is the equation perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. Okay, 2 into L plus B equal to 28. Now what will be L plus B? Semi perimeter. Semi perimeter will be 28 half, that is 14. Okay, length plus breadth equal to 14. Now let's consider breadth equal to x. Okay, let's consider breadth equal to x. Then what will be length? Length equal to 14 minus x. Okay, if breadth is x, then length will be 14 minus x. Okay, now we have perimeter. Let's use this equation. From that we got what? 28 centimeter. Okay, then you can check x plus 14 minus x, the answer will be 14. Okay, now we consider the sides. Now we need to check. The first sub question is, can we make a rectangle with the diagonal? Okay, with the diagonal as what? 8 centimeter. Diagonal equal to 8 centimeter. We have to check whether we can make a rectangle with one diagonal as 8 centimeter. Okay, this is what we need to check here. So for that, if this is diagonal, length will be what? Here length will be 14 minus x. Breadth will be what? X. Now we can consider this right triangle. Okay, now in order to check this, if it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem, okay, right triangle, if it is satisfying the Pythagoras theorem, we can say that it is possible. Otherwise it is not possible. Okay, so this diagonal we can consider as hypotenuse side. So what is the equation? Base square plus altitude square equal to what? Hypotenuse square. So that we can apply here. So here x square plus basis 14 minus x the whole square equal to hypotenuse square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now let's check whether we can solve this equation. Okay, first of all open this bracket. So here x square plus 14 minus x the whole square means this is of the identity a minus b the whole square. So answer will be what? 14 square. Okay, 14 square minus 2 into 14 into x. Okay, plus x square. Okay, this is the expansion. A square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 8 square, that is 64. Okay, now in the next step let's simplify this. So here x square, here x square. So total both are positive. So here we can write the answer as 2x square. Okay, plus 14 square is 196. Okay, then minus, here it is minus 2 into 14, that is 28x equal to 64. Now let's arrange this, that is 2x square minus 28x plus 196 equal to 64, like that we can write. And before that, here coefficient of x square is what? 2. Always the least number is better, I told you. So let's divide all the equation with this 2. So whole divided by 2. So here answer will be x square plus 196 by 2. Here answer will be what? 98 will be the answer. Then minus 28x divided by 2, that is 14x. Okay, equal to 64 divided by 2, that is equal to 32. Okay, like this we got. Now next one, let's arrange the order. Got like this, that is x square minus 14x plus 98 minus 32 equal to 0. I took this 32 to this side because we need equal to 0. Okay, now let's arrange once more, that is x square minus 14x 98 minus 32. 98 minus 32, answer will be what? 66 equal to 0. Now we got a second degree equation. Now from this step you need to we are going to apply the equation. So before that we have to write a equal to what, b equal to what, and c equal to what. Okay, a, b, c we need to write here. So here a means coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square, no number means it is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1, that is a equal to 1. B is coefficient of x, so 14. Along with the sign you have to write. So here minus 14 means minus 14 you have to write. Now c means constant number, that is 66 here. After this step we need to find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. This we need to write. So b square minus 4ac equal to b. B is what? Minus 14. Then it's a square. So minus 14 square minus 4 into a into c. ac means 4 into a into c. So 4 into a is 1 into c is 66. Okay. Now this is equal to minus 14 square means it is positive 196. Okay. Then minus 4 into 1, 4. Then 4 into 66. 4 into 66 is, that is minus 264. Okay, minus 264. Now when we subtract this, okay, when we subtract this, what will be the answer? Positive sign or negative sign? 264 is negative, 196 is positive. Anyway, here the answer we will get as negative. Okay, here the answer we will get as negative. So we got what? B square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, b square minus 4ac we got as less than 0. Negative means it is less than 0. That means what we can write? It is not possible. Okay, this second degree equation has no solution. Okay, not possible. to solve, because imaginary numbers will comes. Okay, imaginary numbers like I. Okay, this will comes, so it is not possible. So answer is not possible to make a rectangle with diagonal 8 centimeter. If diagonal is 8 centimeter, it is not possible to create. That is the answer. Second sub question, rectangle value is changing. Okay, instead of this 8, question is, can we made a rectangle with the diagonal as 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter is given. Now starting steps are same. Okay, up to this it is the same, only change comes here. It is diagonal will be what, 10 centimeter. Here also 10 square will be. Okay, diagonal square means 10 square hypotenuse. So here answer will be 100. Here answer will be 100. Okay, now here also it will be 100. Okay, now in this step, let's change the position. Okay, 100 we have to convert to this side. All the remainings are same because we are considering perimeter as the same. Length perimeter 28 centimeter, length and breadth as x and 14 minus 6. So all these steps are same here. Now in the next step, let's change the 100 to this side. So here answer will be what? One more change will be here, because here in this step we divided by 2. Okay, we are dividing this equation with 2. So x square plus 196 by 2, 98, 28 by 2, answer 14. So 100 by 2, here answer is not 100. 100 by 2, here it will be 50. Okay, now here it will be x square plus 98 minus 14x plus 50, come to next side, it will be minus 50 equal to 0. Okay, now let's arrange the equation. That is x square minus 14x plus 98 minus 50. Okay, 98 minus 50, answer is what? Plus 48 equal to 0. Okay, plus 48 equal to 0. Now it is of the second degree form. Now a equal to x square coefficient is 1. B equal to what? Minus 14. Okay, C equal to 48. Okay, now discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac equal to minus 14 square minus 4 into 1 into 48. Okay, now minus 14 square is 196. Then 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 48. 4 into 48 is minus 192. Okay, 192. 8 4s are 32. Then 192. Okay. Now 196 minus 192. What will be the answer? 4 is the answer. Okay, 4 is the answer. It is a positive number. That means greater than 0. So it is greater than 0. That means we can solve this equation and we will get 2 answers. That means 2 solutions we will get. Okay, so it is possible to make, and we need to find the sides also. If diagonal is 10 centimeter, what will be the length and what will be the breadth? So next step we are going to apply the equation. Okay, so equation is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now first one, minus b. Okay, already one negative sign is there, that you need to put first. Next is b. B value is what? Minus 14. In addition to this negative, you have to write minus 14. Okay, minus 14. Don't confuse with this. Most of you will forgot to write this negative sign. Okay, don't, if negative sign is there, then you have to put one negative also, because this negative is a part of this equation. Okay, next, plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, that we already found that we got the answer as 4. So instead of this we can write root 4 divided by 2a, that is 2 into a is what? A is 1. Okay, it is not compulsory always this a will be what? 1. Sometimes it will be another numbers. Okay, for this problem we can we could have divide that number with 2. That's why we got like this, but sometimes it may not be possible. So here 2 into 1. Now in the next step, negative and negative 14. Negative into negative, it will be plus 14. So 14 plus or minus root 4 is what? 2. Okay, root 4 is 2, plus or minus divided by 2. Okay, after this step we are going to split this because plus is there, minus is there. So first one is x is equal to, first let's consider positive. So 14 plus 2 by 2. Okay, or plus or, okay, so next will be 14 minus 2 by 2. Okay, so what will be the answer? 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2 is 16. So 16 by 2. No space here, so I am going to do here. So 14 plus 2 by 2, that is 16 by 2, or 14 minus 2 by 2, that is 12 by 2. Okay, so 16 by 2 answer is what? 8, or 12 by 2 answer is 6. So 8 or 6. This is x value. Okay, x is what? 8 or 6. Now if x is 8, length will be what? 14 minus 8 you have to do. Okay, 14 minus 8. Then also answer will be what? 6 will be the answer. Now if 6 is x we are considering, then 14 minus 6, then next will be what? 8 is the answer. Directly you can write this 8 or 6 as length and breadth. If this is breadth, we can consider this as length. This will satisfy this equation. Okay, so for this, 6 is the breadth, 8 is the length, and 10 is the diagonal. Similarly, try to do the third sub question, same like this. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you. See you in the next video.